Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the size of your cursor or pointer on your mouse when you're on your Windows 11 computer. So you can kind of see my mouse, it's small right now. We can make this bigger by going to settings. Right here, click this on the left. Let's go to accessibilities. Then go to where it says mouse, pointer, and touch. Mouse, pointer, color, size. And then right here we can choose a different pointer. And we can do pretty much any color if we really want to. We can go to red. Or you can choose another color and open this up. Let's do a complete red right over here. And go to done. Now it's really red. And then we can go to the size. We can make it really big if we really want. So this is very apparent. Be really great for making videos because you can always see where the mouse button is or the cursor. So just come to this section and you can change your cursor and the size of it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.